What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. Today I'm taking a look at Wondershare Data Recovery. Now, this is a data recovery piece of software for basically recovering anything on maybe a flash drive, a hard drive, and it happens every once in a while where your files get corrupted or your files simply disappear because you accidentally formatted your drive. Just like Recoverable Disk K right here, which only has Wondershare Data Recovery on it. So of course, when we click this, it's going to bring us to this cool little spot, and it's actually going to ask us what type of files I wish to recover. In this case, we can choose from photo, MP3, video, office documents, emails, and of course all file types. I'm actually going to go and choose all file types. Next off, I'm going to ask, as you guys can see, you can actually recover things from certain partitions even if they aren't there at a certain time. I've had plenty of issues with partitions on an SSD once when I attempted to install Linux. It happens all the time. Then of course you can also scan your entire computer. Now this may take a while. There's also your desktop and your documents, recycling bin, and even external removable devices. In this case, we're going to go and choose Recoverable Device K. As you can see, I'm going to select local disk K, simply hit OK, and next off, we're going to hit Next. Enable Deep Scan, which basically means you recover formatted files, which is the complete folder structure, but it will take more time. The function works well for formatted recovery. I'm going to hit Start, and it will start to do its magic. Now of course that was done super fast because on the drive itself I didn't have much to start with. I simply had the review material for one particular smartwatch I reviewed a little bit back. As you guys can see, I can simply hit recover, and of course to completely recover your files, please activate, so I'd have to activate it, and then of course it would bring back that particular file. Now another example in which you may use this is to recover photos and videos, or even random files from an SD card that you just accidentally permanently deleted, because once you remove something from, say, a SD card or an external hard drive, usually it disappears forever because, you know, there's no recycling bin in those cases. So what exactly would we do if we were to land ourselves in that situation? Well, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and go through this wizard again. So I'm going to select all file types. Next, but this time we're going to select a different location. So I'm simply going to go and choose my SD card, which is the Nikon D3200. Okay. Hit Next. Enable Deep Scan. Sure, why not? And we're going to go and hit the Start button and see how long it takes, and of course what it manages to recover. Now of course it's going to scan everything and see what exactly it can recover. Afterwards, I did go ahead and activate the full version. So first of all, I showed you guys what you can do with the trial. Now of course I'm going to show you guys what you can do with the entire version, how you can recover all different types of files, and how well this goes and actually searches. Alright, so the scan is almost complete. However, as you guys can see, it has already found 434 files that have been deleted at some point. So of course I'm going to go and stop it right here. Click stop, and as you guys can see, I have a bunch of different options. So there's graphic, and inside of that it actually separates it into JPEG and of course raw files. And then of course it has miscellaneous, there is an extension, and of course it even found some video. So I'm going to click on the video folder, and as you guys can see, all of these individual videos can potentially be recovered. I'm actually going to go and deselect most of them, and then of course go and select 2 of them. Then I'm going to go and jump into the JPEG. Alright, so as you guys can see, there are also a variety of pictures that I can go and recover. I don't see what the point of recovering all of them are, so I'm just going to sort them by size and then choose maybe 10 of these images and see what I can get out of them, and of course see how the file looks like after it is recovered. So next off, I'm going to hit recover, and it's going to give me options to bring it to a certain drive. Next off, I'm going to select a disk drive to go and actually put this on. I'm simply going to put it on media, and then of course I'm going to hit recover, and let's see how fast this thing can actually go and recover it. It is only about a video or 2, and of course a handful of pictures, so it shouldn't take too long. As you guys can see, it's recovered 27. So of course the file is called K. It's as if it's saying okay. Next off, I'm going to go and search for DCIM, and we're actually going to go and try to play this video. And as you guys can see, I'm not sure what this was a video of, however the video is recovered. Next off, I'm going to go and try to see if I can get myself a picture. So of course right here, we got ourselves a concert that I once went to, and as you guys can see, the photo has completely been recovered. What else do I want to click on? Here's another video. Another relatively short video. This was actually one of the shots that I did when I was making a review on the Logitech headphones. So that's pretty awesome right there. This is from a very long time ago now that I think about it. And then of course here is a picture of a drawing. So as you guys can see, quality seems to be perfect, and it did manage to recover all these different deleted files. So that's pretty awesome. So I wanted to give you guys a specific example in terms of that. Go ahead and check this out in case you need to recover your photos. However, most of you guys who are going to be looking at this are in desperate situations. So of course, if you do need to recover something from your recycling bin, which is usually the case, you never know what ends up in the recycling bin. Then you hit empty recycling bin to get some space, and all of a sudden you manage to delete an important file or something of that sort. Other times, of course, corrupt drives, then of course SSDs randomly being formatted. There's so many different scenarios in which you can use this, so go ahead and check it out. Maybe you want to future proof and have it right now just in case you need it later on, or maybe you're in a desperate situation and you need something to recover your files fast. And of course, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If so, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and check this out. The link will be below. With that said, thank you for watching. This is going to be me logging off.